Hi, I'm Mike from Tribeca Beverage. I'm here in Woodland Park, and today I'm going to teach you how to set up a water pump. I have a water pump from Brio. They're in California, but you can use any kind of water pump. Primo makes a water pump. They're all pretty much universal and fit on top of the bottle. If you look at inside the pump, this will kind of suction cup to the top of the bottle. First, what we're going to do is we're going to remove the cap. And we're going to start to put together our pump. The pump has two hoses, or two kind of straw-like parts that connect into each other. I try not to touch the hoses when I'm installing it for sanitary reasons by using the plastic bag that it comes with. As you see, this is kind of a view where you could see how the parts fit into each other. Alright, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert the straw into the bottle and apply a little bit of pressure until it fits snug on top of the bottle. I'm going to tighten, there's a little nut here that you could tighten. It will seal the pump on top of the bottle. And then you connect the spigot. Alright, there's a little piece on the spigot. When you're not using the pump, you can pop it in there and it won't allow anything to go inside the water bottle. But when you're using it, you can then start using this button by applying a little bit of pressure, and it will dispense the drinking water out of the 5-gallon bottle. The Brio pump also comes with a pipe cleaner that you can use to clean the spigot and also the tube, like this. I appreciate you watching our videos. Stay tuned for our next one.